In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M17 and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. First of all, launch settings and scroll to click on this section called security and privacy. From it, scroll again to access this one called More Privacy Settings, and then scroll again to hit Permission Manager available here. Now, to manage your permissions, select one of your device's features, like location. Click on an app under one of those categories. In case of location, allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, or not allowed, and apply one of those. I picked gallery and my options are location access for this app, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will pick this one, so when I go back, I can start gallery, just gain access to my location while I'm using my gallery app. But what I like to do is pick in any feature just to find an app I'm interested in. Like I will go into SMS just to access my Google app. And instead of picking one of those options, selecting this underlined text, see all permissions. Thanks to it, you can manage all of those only for a chosen app, the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!